This video discusses how to differentiate the cotangent function. We will let y be cotangent x. We know cotangent x can also be written as cosine x divided by sine x. As soon as you write it that way, we can apply the quotient rule of differentiation and differentiate cotangent x. So I'm going to label this numerator as f and this denominator as function g. Since f is equal to cosine x, we know that f prime should be equal to negative sine x. We have proved the differentiation of cosine x to be equal to negative sine x using the first principles. When g is equal to sine x, we have proved that g prime, the first derivative of g, is equal to cosine x. We proved that also using the first principles. Here's a quick recall of the quotient rule. If you have y equals f over g, then y prime, the first derivative of y, is equal to g times f prime minus g prime f. All of that's divided by g squared. Using that quotient rule, we can quite easily differentiate the function cotangent x when it's written as cosine x over sine x. Therefore, d by dx cotangent x. This part you may simply write as y as well, dy by dx. This should be equal to g times f prime. We know g is equal to sine x times f prime is equal to negative sine x. Therefore, the multiplication is equal to negative sine squared x. Therefore, on the numerator, the first term is negative sine squared x. And then there's this negative symbol minus g prime times f. G prime is equal to cosine x. F is equal to cosine x. Therefore, g prime times f should be equal to cosine squared x. All of that has to be divided by g squared. G is equal to sine x. Therefore, g squared should be equal to sine squared x. Now we need to simplify this. You can see that from the numerator, a negative 1 can be factored out. Then inside the factor, we will have sine squared x plus cosine squared x. All of that has to be divided by sine squared x. We know from the Pythagorean identity of trig, sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. Therefore, this derivative reduces to negative 1 over sine squared x. What is 1 over sine x? 1 over sine x is equal to cosecant x. Therefore, negative 1 over sine squared x should be equal to negative cosecant squared x. That's a very important result, which is the derivative of the cotangent x. Remember, the differentiation of cotangent x with respect to x is equal to negative cosecant squared x. This is the complete proof. Thank you so much.